Control and coordination in plants. Plants do not have nervous system or muscles to respond to the stimulus. Plant use chemical means for control and coordination. Many plant hormones are responsible for various kinds of movements in plants. When plants can't move from one place to another, still some movements are found in plants. Movements in plant can be divided into two main types: tropic movement and nestic movement. Some plant responds to stimuli by growing in a particular direction, like towards the light, away from the light, towards the gravity. Okay, this type of movements occur in plant. Tropic movement or tropism is the plant movement that is determined by the direction of an environmental stimulus. This tropic movement is depend upon the determined by the direction of the stimulus. Okay, so this type of movement can be towards the stimuli or away from the stimuli. Stimuli like sunlight, maybe this type of movement plant move towards the sunlight, or sometimes they move away from the sunlight. Okay, tropic movement is of several types, depend upon the stimulus. First is phototropism. So phototropism, here the stimulus is, light. Phototropism, stimulus is light. Shoot responds by bending towards light, while root respond by bending away from it. So in phototropism, stimulus is light. Shoot means stem respond by bending toward. Shoot bend towards the sunlight, while root respond by bending away from it. We know that root move away from the light, while stem moves towards the sunlight. This type of tropism or tropic movement of plant is called phototropism, because here stimulus is light. Okay, next is geotropism. Geo, towards the earth, towards the gravity. Geotropism, because of the gravity. Here the stimulus is gravity. We know that root of plant grow down towards the gravity, whereas shoot grows away from the gravity. This type of movement is called geotropism, where stimulus is gravity. Root of plant grow down towards gravity. Here you can see root grow towards the gravity, while stem grows away from the gravity. This type of tropical movement is called geotropism. Next is hydro. Water. Means in hydrotropism, stimulus is water. Root always grow towards water. Okay. Next is chemotropism. Chemo means chemical. The movement in response to chemical stimulus is called as chemotropism. Growth of pollen tube towards ovule. During pollination, growth of pollen tubes towards ovule, where ovule produce chemicals for the growth and passes of pollen tubes. This type of movement is called chemotropism. It occurs by the action of chemicals. Now movements independent of growth. As no growth is involved, so plant move by changing the shape of the cell. So no growth is involved, but the plant move changing the shape of the cell. For example, in sensitive plants moves its leaves in response to touch. For example, Mimosa pudica or touch me not plant. When we touch the leaves of this plant, it closes its leaf. The movement takes place at a point different from point of touch. Okay, this type of movement is independent of growth. So this type of movement is called nestic movement. So the nestic movement, the movement which do not depend on the direction from the stimulus. For example, when someone touches the leaves of mimosa, the leaves droop, means closes its leaf. The drooping is independent of the direction from which leaves are touched. Such movement usually happen because of the change in water balance to the cell. So when leaves of mimosa are touched, the cell in leaves lose water and become flaccid, resulting in drooping leaves. Means resulting in closing of leaves. Let's discuss about the plant hormones. Okay. Plant hormones are chemical which help to coordinate growth, development and response to the environment. Types of plant hormone. Main plant hormones are auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin and abscisic acid. These four are the main plant hormones. Auxin are present at the shoot tips and the function is helps in growth. Okay, gibberellin helps in the growth of the stem. Auxin help in growth of the plant. Gibberellin helps in the growth of the stem. Cytokinin promotes cell division, while abscisic acid is the plant hormones which inhibit growth. These three hormones which are able to growth of the plant, while abscisic acid is inhibits growth of the plant, cause within wilting of leaves. Okay, so auxin, gibberellin and cytokinin are promote growth of the plants, while abscisic acid inhibits growth of the plant. These are growth promoting hormones and abscisic acid is growth inhibiting hormones.